All right. So Real Splash, he writes, what about adding a stereo to the 310X? It's not stock. Well, I'll take it from here, but I want to actually ask you a different question. And
Yes.
that is, the 310X is meant to be the entry supercharged Ultra. It's
Yes,
the
sir.
zero frills, all go, no fat, super trimmed, ready to go. And then you'll find that the LXS and then the LX are trimmed or equipped with
Yes.
accessories on top to meet different audiences. So the 310X, I don't want to have a sound system.
Right.
If I was to buy an Ultra, I want the X. Well, I want the R, but I want the X. That if I had my choice of the three, I'm going to jump on the X because it's like, oh, this is how I'm gonna ride it. I don't need the extra, Ultra deck, or I don't need the reverse facing camera. I want the hot rod, and so that is kind of the point. Now, there's two things I want to ask you because you presented that to me at the press intro. Was number one, because of the Kawasaki accessories department, you can effectively equip any Ultra with anything that's on the X or the LX, excuse me.
LX, yeah.
And then number two, the other question would be, inside of Kawasaki, what were the audiences that you guys were targeting with all three machines?
Well, I think they're all three different.
That's my point.
You have that wants one thing, and then some want a little bit more. It's all different audiences, and that's why we tried to hit all three. So I'm maybe not answering it the right way, but
I just didn't know if you kind of had, if Kawasaki had a whiteboard just saying, okay, the Ultra 310 LX buyer is the guy who wants.
Yes, we do have that.
Okay, and so I didn't know if there was like a grouping that you looked at, like, okay, well, the LXS is going to be more of the tow sports guy, and
we do have most of that. Croft would have to have that. I'd have to talk with him just to make sure on a little bit of that. Now, when he's asking for the stereo, you can't get it. Is he trying to add one to it?
I think he's trying to. Well, he's just saying it's not
stock.
It's not stock. I believe that's what.
Okay, sorry about that.
Yeah. I believe that's what he's saying. If it's not in stock, then it's just okay. Well, parts are parts, man. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.